So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how you can reach Facebook admin that they will reply you very, very fast. So you can reach them for any problem you are facing on your Facebook account. So first of all, you have to download this app here. Once you download this app, then you log in any Facebook account that you have, anyone at all, any Facebook account you have that you know that is working. You log in the account on that business suite. You log in the account there, then you follow this process. Alright guys, once you log in inside the Meta Business Suite, so you click on this more, then you click on Help Center. You click on Help Center. So once it opens like this, scroll down, then you see this contact support. You have to see this contact support. If you see this contact support, then it means you are eligible to reach Facebook admin. You have to see that contact support. If you are not seeing it, then you try another account that you have. If you now check all your accounts and you are not seeing that contact support, then it means you have to verify that your Facebook account. It does not really mean that you log in into that your account that has problem. You can use another account that you have to create a solution for another account that you have. So you have to click that contact support. So once that contact support, once it opens, I will write something for you guys now that you will know how to reach to contact the admins. So once you send them that message, they will reply you in lesser than 3 to 10 minutes. They are going to reply you in your Facebook Messenger. They will reply you in your Facebook Messenger, and it's going to be very, very fast. If you are not replying them, they will leave your text. If you are not replying them, they are going to leave your text. So you are going to be replying them very, very fast. So once they reply you, you tell them what you are facing with your account. They are going to ask for your URL. That is your profile link. Then you copy that your account that has problem. You copy the link and you send it to them. You copy that your account that has problem. You copy the profile link and you send it to them. Then they help you to check what is happening with your account. Like that, you can have a solution. That is the fastest way to reach Facebook admin. And that's how I have always been able to find a solution to my problems. So this is what you write to them. Just follow how I am writing this one that I'm writing. Like you just follow the way I'm writing it. And so you can contact them. So you write to them like this, and then you tell them what you are facing with your account. If your account is disabled, you tell them. If you cannot follow groups on your account, you tell them. If you are demonetized, you tell them. If you forget your password, you tell them. If you lose your page, you tell them. Anything you are facing at all, you just write it there. You let them know that this is so thing I am facing with my account, and then they will get back to you immediately. Like it's not going to take longer at all. No go take time at all. They will get back to you, and you have to log in that your account, this account you are using to reach them. You have to log in that account on your messenger. The account has to be on your messenger so that once they reply you, you get notification and then you reply them immediately. If you did not reply them quickly, they are going to end the chat. And as they are ending the chat, they are going to give you 2 more chances. They will give you 2 more chances. Once you reach them again, and then you are unable to reply them, 1 more chance to go. Once you message them again, you are still unable to reply them. They are going to restrict you for like 2 weeks. You might not be able to reach them for like 2 weeks or even more than 2 weeks. So like I said, if you did not see that contact support, Then you have to verify your account. If you know that your account is very, very important to you, then verify that your account you are using to reach them. That account you are using to reach them, pay for verification, then verify the account. Verification is very, very simple nowadays. So once you pay for that verification, they are going to give you that contact support icon. You will see it there on your Meta support on that thing that I asked you guys to download. You will see it there. You will see that contact support there. So like that, you can reach them easily.